Having considered this matter and taking note of the judgment delivered by the court on 15th August 2025 and the orders therein, Seneta Gloria Orwoba shall now forthwith commence a suspension following the restoration of the Senate of 20th September 2023 to adopt the report of the Committee of Powers and Privileges on our conduct. The 79 calendar days that were to be appointed in the year 2023 will therefore run from today, Wednesday, 12th February 2025 to Thursday, 1st May 2025.
Mr. Speaker, if there is anyone, and I know that there are people who have actually come up to me and told me that I offended them, take this as my sincere apology. And truly, from the bottom of my heart, and as you can see, I have learned how to present and represent people better. And it is a learning curve, Mr. Speaker. However, I do understand that also I own up my actions and I own up my space. And so therefore, as I proceed for my suspension, I do hope that those I have offended will find it in their hearts to forgive me, and that it was not my intention to put out and maybe put out the Senate to seem that I'm trying to ridicule this upper house.